Yeah, old school shit. Fat Mark Collective, y'all. This is Jiggity J and that Samurai MC representing. About to hit you off with some of that old school funky underground flavor. Yo. Now let me break it down to how the metaphors are intricate. I'm spitting old school and putting vintage in to finish it. The one to open up and start it off like Genesis. Remember this, endlessly effortless is how we step beyond our premises. Flows of a Methodist that make you lose it, confusing upon a stage. Our quizzes performing illusions like a bad painter. I draw conclusions, but most of the time I'm horrified in hearing what they're boosting on the radio. It doesn't make sense, like an ugly prostitute. I don't say this ironic, man, what's wrong with you? I'm just stating the facts like an honest tabloid, putting a message into my raps and a graph noise. Bad boys, what you wanna do? You ain't doing shit through the Fat Mark crew. Kung Fu, rocking every city we run through, spitting these syllables gritty like Biggie and Pundu. Who the fuck told you to grab the mic? Ruin the appetite of other hungry rappers who wanna come up and have a bite. We raise it up a couple Fahrenheit, the double barrel type of verbal shots that will shock you and leave you paralyzed. We got the reason to stomp you out of the paradise. You're eating rotten fruit and you're confident about the paradigm that rap is just another gateway to financials. You lose the real connection between bass drum and a sample. A lot of persons have a grateful of example of how people didn't realize a fame and worth the battle is mistaken for a castle. A life full of excitement, but in real life you'll end up in a cycle of confinement. So fuck that, we bust raps to go beyond that. We sickening with the flow, warmed up, ready for combat. Show me any way how I can settle this contract. I signed it with my blood, hip hop will never fall back. All that and more, rough through the raw, tough through the core. Storm ran, bust through the door with medieval battle decks, somatic causing upheaval. Inside I'm peaceful whenever I drop the scratch needle on the racks. I relax, mind stayed bohemian, an open-minded prototype, control a mice chameleon. Composing nightly requiems, a flow flips fluently, fluctuous rhythmical structures. I'm interrupting every form of verbal mutiny. Me and my crew are bound in unity. It's beautiful, it's sort of a community of great diggers, MCs, or ball sprayers, DJs, breakdancers, and beat makers. This is hip-hop, Fat Mark B to the H to the ADMARK Collective. The name is Samurai, swing a metal blade and yield it like a knight whenever the instrumental plays. I elevate whenever music resonates. The beat necessitates me to flip it at a numeric pace of 90 BPM. I need to get it straight so I can finally commence. I let the people speculate upon the rhymes I reinvent. Perpetuate the legacy of vinyl and cassette. They seem to underestimate in modern times. Try to show respect to ancient heavyweights and give my props to anyone I saw, whoever blessed the stage. Don't judge me by my looks or any postulates, but judge me by my actions and my musical accomplishments. I'm real with it. Music, a universal consulate for everyone to visit. Exquisite, it's astonishing. I'm proud to be a prominent occupant of a continent that still respects the art from as if it's a holy document. Europe is locking shit down, and we're a part of it. It's time to put new leaders up in this melodic parliament. We need a verbal arsenal, sparkling with the argument that hip-hop is alive. Love is at the heart of it. Unity, booming beats, mix them up together, add some rhymes to it and cut them up and end up with the treasure for your mind. In time, you'll see that rap is clever, capable of touching hearts and producing amounts of pleasure. There's definitely no better, not affected by the clock. An everlasting movement that will never ever ever have a plot. That's hip hop. Yeah, Fat Mark Collective. Be on the lookout for some of that new shit. Peace out, y'all. Hip hop for life. Hip hop for life. Yo, where's this button so I can shut this damn thing off, y'all? Yo.